Hi guys, Dr. Lando here, just going to finish up our discussion about the steps of photosynthesis. So we're on to the synthesis part of photosynthesis, how we make sugar, synthesize sugar. So from our previous discussion, we saw that ATP and NADPH were made in the light reactions from the photosystems 2 and 1. And those are made for a reason. They are made because they are needed in this process. They are the energy required for this endergonic reaction. So the Calvin cycle takes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and through a multi-step process that we're not going to go into those details, we could call this the Calvin cycle light. Through a multi-step process, those carbons are taken off of carbon dioxide, and they are hooked together, 3 of them. Okay, so we're going to make a 3-carbon chain molecule, and that molecule is called pGal. Okay, well, we know that that's not sugar, and I keep saying that the Calvin cycle makes sugar or makes glucose, so you have to actually attach 2 pGals. So 2 pGals equals 1 glucose. So pGal plus pGal equals C6H12O6, which is glucose. Okay, so while this is being made, we are using ATP and unloading those backpacks of their electrons and hydrogens, and we will have the low energy versions of both of them left, so ADP and NADP plus. See, you got the guy without the stuff in his backpack. Okay, so we've oxidized NADP plus, removed a phosphate from ATP to make ADP. So what do you do with those guys? Well, they get recycled, right? Oh, we shouldn't put that around there. Okay, what happens is the ADP goes back to the light reactions to get recharged in photosystem 2, and NADP plus goes back to the light reactions to get recharged in photosystem 1 and get his backpack refilled. Okay? So they go back to the light reaction. Okay, so the last thing that I should have said at the beginning was, and I always try to help you guys remember where you're at in the cell, but remember that this is taking place in a leaf, in the mesophyll cells, mesophyll layer of cells. So inside of a cell, in a chloroplast. And this time we're not in the thylakoids, we're actually in the stroma. Okay, so inside of a chloroplast in the stroma is where this is occurring. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Have a great day.